Hey guys, are you tired of seeing your phone storage space constantly being filled up by WhatsApp data? We understand that it is hard to let go of those precious memories, but sometimes we accidentally delete important chats in the process of freeing up space. Don't worry, we got your back. I will show you how to restore Android deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. So let's get started. What you need to do is open your file manager. So let's find it. Here's my files. Here, click on device storage. Now, tap on Android. Then, find media and tap on it. Now, find com.whatsapp folder. Let's tap on it. Here, tap on WhatsApp. Now, go to databases. Let's tap on it. Let's select all the files. So once you select all the files, copy them. Now select the folder where you want to copy it, like in device storage. Now to Android. Now to media. com.whatsapp. WhatsApp. Backup. And paste it here. So here you go. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and thanks for watching.